What if I told you that you could transform your boring footage into a professional video for free and in only a few minutes? Forget paying for expensive, complicated software. Today, you're going to master the art of video editing using a tool you probably already have open in another tab, Canva. Look, I get it. You need to create amazing videos for your business, but you're not a professional editor. You're probably feeling overwhelmed, or maybe you've tried watching other tutorials before. You've likely seen a Canva editing video tutorial that shows you one little trick, like a simple montage, but leaves you completely lost on how to build a full video from start to finish. They're often slow, have flat narration, and never explain the creative reasoning behind why you should use a certain effect. This video is different. This is the only Canva video editing tutorial 2025 you will ever need. We're going to fix all of that right now. We're going to follow a simple, three-part workflow that the pros use. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to edit video in Canva for any project you can imagine. Chapter 1. The Setup. First things first, let's set up our project correctly. On the Canva homepage, you can either search for a video template or just click the Create a Design button and choose Video. Now, you have two choices. You can use one of Canva's amazing templates to get a head start, which is great for things like social media ads. Or you can start with a blank canvas for full creative control. For this guide, we'll start from scratch. Your first step is to bring in your footage. On the left-hand side, go to the Uploads tab to add your own video clips. Once your clips are in the timeline, you're ready to start the fun part. Chapter 2. The Creative Edit. This is where we turn a collection of raw clips into a compelling story. We're going to cover the big 5 of Canva video editing, the essential skills you'll use in every single project. 1. Trimming and splitting clips. The most fundamental skill in all of video editing Canva offers is trimming. Simply click on a clip in your timeline and drag the handles at either end to shorten it. This is how you cut out mistakes, long pauses, or any boring parts. For more precise cuts, move the playhead, this white line, to the exact spot you want to cut, right-click and select Split Page, or just press the S key on your keyboard. This is crucial for good pacing. Your goal is to keep the viewer's attention by cutting out all the dead air. 2. Adding animated text and graphics. Static text is boring. Animated text grabs attention. After adding a text box, click on it, and then click the Animate button at the top. You can make your text fade in, rise up, or even use a typewriter effect. This is perfect for highlighting key information or creating a strong call to action. And now for one of my favorite Canva video editing tips and tricks for productivity. Let's say you've perfected your text style. Instead of recreating it every time, just select the text box. Click this little paintbrush icon called Copy Style, and then click on another text box. Boom. All the formatting, font, color, and animation is instantly applied. This is a massive time saver. 3. Using transitions. When you click the icon between your clips, you open the transition menu. This is how you move from one scene to the next smoothly. A simple dissolve can create a very professional cinematic feel. A slide or circle wipe transition adds energy and excitement, perfect for a fast-paced Canva montage video. The secret here is to match the transition to the mood of your video. Don't just pick one at random. Think about the feeling you want to create. 4. Adding music and sound effects. Audio is 50% of the video experience. Canva has a huge library of royalty music. Now, this is a part of how to use Canva video editing that many beginners miss. Don't just drop in a song, match its tempo to your video's pace. Listen, a calmer track works better because it creates focus and doesn't distract from the information. You control the entire feeling of your video right here. You can even right-click the audio to adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. 5. Applying filters and adjustments. To create a consistent visual style, click on any clip and select Edit Video. Here, you can apply one-click filters or dive into the Adjust tab for manual control. A little boost in contrast and saturation can make your footage look 10 times more professional. This is how you develop a signature look for your brand, making your content instantly recognizable. These Canva video editing techniques are what separate amateurs from pros. Chapter 3. The Final Polish. Once you've assembled your masterpiece, watch it one last time from start to finish. Look for any small mistakes. When you're happy, click the Share button in the top right corner, then Download. For the best quality, make sure the file type is set to MP4 and the quality is at least 1080p. Then hit Download, and you're ready to share your creation with the world. Okay, you've mastered the essentials of the Canva editor video tools, but before you go, I have to share one game-changing feature that most people don't even know exists in Canva. This is one of those secret Canva video editing tricks that will blow your mind. Have a great video clip, but the background is distracting? Watch this. Yes, you can remove the background from video clips right inside Canva. This is a pro-level feature that used to require expensive software like Adobe After Effects. Just like that, you can put yourself in front of any background you want. This instantly elevates your videos and gives them that polished, professional studio look. It is, without a doubt, one of the most powerful tools for Canva editing video. Summary and key takeaway. So, to recap, you now know the complete professional workflow for how to edit video with Canva. We covered the setup, the creative edit using the big five, trimming, text, transitions, audio and adjustments, and the final polish. If there's one thing you take away today, it's this. Always match your creative choices, like your music and transitions, to the specific mood and goal of your video. That is the true secret to making videos that connect with your audience. If this Canva video editing tutorial 2025 was valuable to you, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel, and make sure to subscribe to Elite Tech for more tutorials that get straight to the point. And now, I have a question for you. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's the first video you're going to create with your new Canva skills? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.